this tutorial, I want to show you how you can have items still show up in your pivot table even if there's not any data for said item. So here we have a pivot table for cookie sales by region. And there in our data, as you can see, we have data for the country of Mexico, but there's an error for units sold and it's not showing up in our pivot table. So to have this still show up, we can go to pivot table analyze, go to pivot table on the left, and then go to options. From here you want to go to display, and you want to click on show items with no data on rows and show items with no data on columns. Okay. Now you can see Mexico will still show up even though there's no data. Now as you can see, it says no values right here. We can customize what this says right here. So for example, I can go to the pivot table and then options, and I can adjust what it shows if there's nothing there. So empty cells show no value. I can also say for empty cells show 0. As you can see, it shows 0. Or I can go through and uncheck that box. And as you can see, even though there's no data from Mexico, it just shows as blank. That said, I hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.